model, 61 plate Ford Transit 85 T280s Fwd long MOT tidy transit runs and drives excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 133,139. MOT, the 17th of July 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows, tow hitch. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.